If you are new here, my name is Cori. Hello, welcome. Thank you for excuse me. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Cori. For you all who don't know, it is Mardi Gras in New Orleans. And if you guys don't know, I am from New Orleans and I really love Mardi Gras. That's how I was inspired to come up with this eye look, and I used the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place to come up with this eye look. It was very simple, so if you guys are interested, then keep on watching. Okay, y'all, so for today we're using the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm using my Morphe M4 Milani M573 brush, and I already dabbed some on there already, so I'm just gonna pack that in my crease and build the orange up like I did on this side. You want to get a good bit on there. With this same brush, I'm just dusting it off. I'm going in with the yellow shade, like that. Yeah, I'm gonna tap some of that off, and then I'm gonna bring this right on top. Now that that's done, I'm taking a smaller brush. This is the Morphe M330 brush, and I'm dipping in that purple. I'm gonna pack that purple on like I did with the orange. So I mainly focus the purple on the outer corner, and I'm taking my plouisebase and cutting the crease. This is in shade 5. I'm using the Morphe M224 brush. I'm just going to cut my crease. Green on the lid, still kind of wet, and packing the green on. It's really gonna stand out since I didn't set it with powder. Wet n Wild Mega Liner to line my eyes. So, this is the best Huda eyeliner you have found on the market. Tell me. For mascara, I'm using the new e.l.f. Smudge Proof Mascara. And this game changing too. Look at this for the lower lash line, like. Better get it. Okay, y'all, so I got my other lash on. Primer, I'm starting with the noPOREblem by touchinSOL. And I actually got this in my box to on. My prime with this first. Alright, so So I'm in the shade, the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I'm in the shade Tiramisu. And I'm just squirt a little on the back of my hand. I use my Vanity Planet foundation brush and buffing this into my skin. For concealer, I am using my Milani Perfecting Conceal. I'm in Warm Chestnut 175. My contour brush from Real Technique. Can you believe my beauty blender? I know, me neither. Pretty good. So I'm contouring with my Fenty stick. I'm in the shade Espresso. I'm using stippling brush by e.l.f. I'm going to set my under eye with the Crayon case Chalkdust. I'm in the shade Y. I'm setting places everywhere where I highlighted. Using the same brush, I'm going to use my Black Radiance contour palette with this dark shade. I'm gonna set my face. I'm gonna set my face with the Makeup Revolution Pro Fix. I know it might seem like it's a lot, but it's really not. If it ain't wet, it ain't set. Highlight, I am using my Urban Decay Naked Illuminated, my all-time favorite. I can't just stray away from it. On the Vanity Planet fan brush, just take it like that, y'all. For my lips, I'm using this brown lip liner that I have. Kat Von D liquid liner, liquid lipstick, liquid liner, all over the place. Okay. Now I'm using my NYX Butter Gloss. Thank thank you all for tuning into this video. Unfortunately, this is the end of this makeup tutorial, but I will be back with more, so consider subscribing if you're not already, and I will see you all in my next video. Oh, before I go, give me a thumbs up if you like it, and if you didn't, give me a thumbs down. You know, however you feel, you know, it's okay, I promise. But if you did, give me a thumbs up and let me know what you think about the eye look in the comments below. I'll see you all in my next video.